Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. Today I am going to tell about all the factors regarding SRM University AP. Like many of the people will choose like why should anyone join SRM University? Well, I am going to clarify all of your doubts regarding SRM University. First of all, coming to the infrastructure, I really like the infrastructure over here because the infrastructure was well planned and developed. Mainly the campus had three academic blocks. The first block is the CV block and the second block is V block where the classes for the first year students are going on, and the next block is the SR block. It is one of my favorite block, and is the CV Raman block. You can see that here. And here the classes for the second year, third year and the fourth year students are going on. And there was also a library on the 12th floor. It was one of my best favorite place because at there we can study with more focus and concentration. These are the chairs and the benches. You can see that here we can talk and you can sit and talk freely. And here it's more better and it's very good at evening than at the morning. And this is the cafeteria. And this is the CV Raman block which I showed. This is the infrastructure. I really liked it. To the labs are having good equipment as per the modern technology, and the classrooms are well maintained and air conditioned, such that you can study with more focus and confidence. These are the classrooms. Coming to the academics part, most of the professors have completed their education from the reputed institutions like NITs, IITs and other foreign universities. And they are very interactive and communicative with the students. So the students are free to ask any doubts regarding the subject. They not only focus on the theoretical learning but also on the practical knowledge. They encourages the students to participate in many other aspects like teamwork, group discussions and many, such that the students can gain hands-on experience apart from the academics. So I really like the way of the teaching of the staff. Placements part, the SRM University offers a wide range of placements. It has tie-ups with the multinational companies across the world. So these collaborations help bring the companies with strong salary packages. Ultimately, the students who are highly talented and who are good at communication and having a great knowledge in their field will get the placement. So I finally suggest you that don't depend on others and build your own identity to get placements. Coming to the facilities and hostels, the facilities are very good at here. It offers a clean, and you can see that it's clean and green everywhere. It offers a clean and fresh air such that the students can learn anything without pressure and stress. They can study with more focus and concentration. Now coming to the hostels, there are two types, AC and non-AC rooms, and it starts from the 8% to the 2%. The point that I want to include is the semester abroad program. The university also offers the semester abroad program, which means the students who want to complete their upcoming semesters education in foreign, they can apply for that and they can go to the abroad and complete their education. And the campus has the curriculum as per the industry requirements and the modern technology. So I suggest SRM is the best place who want to study